Is your Subaru Outback key fob not working? Does the remote not respond, or is the case difficult to open? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. First, confirm the issue isn't environmental. Extreme temperatures can affect battery performance. To open the fob, remove the key blade by pressing the release button. Then, carefully pry open the case at the seam using a flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. If the case is stuck, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer for about 30 seconds to loosen any adhesive. Avoid excessive force, which can break the case. Once open, replace the old CR2032 battery with a new one, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If the remote still doesn't work, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them with isopropyl alcohol if needed. If problems persist, the battery voltage may be low, less than 2.8 volts. A multimeter can confirm. While battery replacement solves most issues, 60% according to Subaru technicians, consider aftermarket universal fobs if your original is severely damaged, costing $30–50.